You don't need expensive ingredients to make something amazing. All you need is passion, patience, and love. Keep cooking, keep creating, and never stop believing in yourself. Your kitchen is your power, and your hands can create magic. This pasta will make you hungry in seconds. Let me show you how I made this delicious chicken tomato macaroni at home. Here, my onion and garlic. This is my tomato puree. This is my tomato puree. This is salt. I'm starting with salt so that it will start tasting good before we add our spices. Can I remove the skin from it? This is spices. So salt. So I'm adding my lemon juice. Forget about the seed after I remove it. In the cross, be my glory ever, till my rapture soul shall find rest beyond the river. Wait, don't scroll. If you love delicious, juicy chicken, pasta with rich tomato sauce, then this video is for you. Today, I am about to show you how I turn simple shell macaroni into this mouth-watering, colorful, flavor-packed meal right in my kitchen. The tomato sauce is still on fire, giving us the colorful. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will be craving this so bad you want to cook it immediately. So stay with me, let's cook together, and let me show you how magic happens with simple ingredients. This is the spices. Also select your own choice of spices. Remember, no one owns recipe, so how you are going to cook to taste it all depends on you. So me teaching you my skills, I want to tell you that select your own choice of spices, but you can look the process on how I'm doing my doings. Yeah, so this is my sauce. The chicken is already cleaned. Yeah, so I'm going in with my chicken. I removed the chicken skin because I don't want it to smell something. Yeah, but if you are in your house and you don't feel like removing the chicken skin, you are free. Yeah. You cooking, you own the recipe, so how you cook it, it's all in your hands. I bet you before I will finish this recipe, it will taste good. Yeah, the doings. Ginger powder. This is my pepper and garlic. Adding vinegar. Let's steam small, then we add our water. This is green pepper and lemon, black lemon. Please, if you are enjoying this, don't forget to like, comment, and tell me, how do you love your pasta? Spices or mild?
I'm adding soya sauce.
Now we have added our ingredients. This is where the magic happens. The aroma alone will make you hungry. Now I am combining everything together. Look at the color. Look at the shine. This is what we call homemade perfection. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and tell me, how do you love your pasta? Spicy or mild? Thank you for watching. This is not just pasta. This is pure homemade magic on a plate. Every bite tells a story of flavor, love, and creativity. Simple ingredients, but the result is absolutely amazing. If food could speak, this macaroni would say, wow. This is the kind of meal that makes you proud of your kitchen. Cooking at home is not just about food, it's about love, patience, and creating something beautiful from simple ingredients. When you are cooking, don't overcook your pasta. And also use fresh tomatoes for richer taste. Also, you can add a little butter for extra flavor because I added butter to it. Rich, colorful, and full of life. This is not just food. This is happiness you can eat. Thank you for watching.